Hello everybody. So it is 34 right now, real feel of 24, but just got set up. The sun is out. I am ready. Like I said, this is gonna feel like glamping. I have electricity, but I'm gonna use my battery pack I purchased to do some experiments because I like to not be limited if there's electricity or not, and ready to go out and explore. This is like a podium, a club moss. Now their ancestors predated the dinosaurs by 400 million years ago. And ancient lycopod forests, those grew to like 100 feet tall. Those are what today are our coal deposits from being broken down. And they're so adorable. I love them. I was walking by this tree and I'm like, it's just a chunk of evergreen that's, on this bare tree. But anyways, I'm like, looks so beautiful. And then I could see it looks like a creature did too, and made a nest. So I had forgot to bring kindling. I have some big pieces of wood. Everything's a little bit damp, but I have faith in nature. Birch bark. That's all I have, and that's all I use. And of course a match. Listen to that sizzle. And I can already smell those Cajun spices. Waking up some birdies. So I was able to make my coffee with whipped hemp milk and lavender. And look at this. Welcome to a new day full of the magic we make it. I am starving. Melting nicely and smelling delicious already. I'm out for a morning hike. It's just magical. The way this is illuminated in the sun, and the bird song, the warmth.